Understanding the phrase, the goat, its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and popular phrase, the goat. You might have heard it in sports, music, or just in casual conversation, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this phrase. First, let's start with the word goat in its most basic form. A goat is a type of animal, known for its agility and often found in mountainous areas. But how does an animal relate to the phrase we are discussing? Well, that's where the beauty of language comes into play. The word goat in the phrase, the goat, is not just about the animal. Let's find out more in the next section. The phrase, the goat, is actually an acronym. An acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of other words. In this case, GOAT stands for greatest of all time. It's used to describe someone who is considered the best in their field, be it sports, music, art, or any other area. This phrase has become extremely popular in modern culture. Understanding when and how to use the goat is crucial. It's a term of high praise and respect. For example, in sports, you might hear, Michael Jordan is considered the GOAT in basketball. In music, someone might say, Beyoncé is the GOAT of pop music. It's important to note that using the GOAT is subjective and can vary based on personal opinion or cultural context. While the GOAT is widely understood, there are variations in how it's used. Sometimes people just say GOAT without the. Also, context is key. The term is informal and more suitable for casual conversation rather than formal or academic settings. You wouldn't, for example, write the GOAT in a formal essay or academic paper. So, there you have it. The GOAT, a fun and popular phrase in the English language that's more than just about an animal. It's a term that represents excellence and the pinnacle of achievement. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is not just about words but also about culture and context. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting language explorations.